Hi guys, I'm Lukas from Vallerret, and today I'm going to show you the Skadi LRS, our 2-in-1 glove and mitt solution, which is suited the best for deep winter conditions. The Skadi LRS is a versatile 2-in-1 glove, allowing you to adapt to any condition. It gives you all the warmth benefits of a mitten with the ease of a 5-finger glove operation on your camera gear. It has been designed especially for videographers like myself. Whether you're shooting a big rig or an action camera, you can stay warm and operate any gear you need for your creative vision. And it's so nice to have the versatility. You have the additional liner, you have the mitt, combine them, or just use the liner on mild winter days. Leave the liner out depending on the temperature. And you're also ready for any temperature change out there. It does feature the zip opening, so you can quickly access all of your fingers. It connects to the back with a button. You have a magnet for the flip tag on the thumb. So everything stays out of the way. You're able to operate on any camera. If you have the mitt closed, it has a full Volks leather palm. So you still have a good grip to your camera handle or whatever you want to do if you're in extreme conditions. The gauntlet on the cuff, you can zip it up nicely and it goes under any jacket. So you protect your wrist from all the wind and the snow coming in. Pocket on the back obviously can be used for anything you want, but it's a good addition. You can chuck in a hand warmer here if it's getting colder than you would expect. You can store your SD cards, you can store a lens wipe and or any kind of tool, but we have a tripod key installed on the left hand already for your emergency fix if you forgot your tools. It comes with a carabiner hook. That's nice to store the gloves while you don't use them. You can chuck them on your backpack and you won't lose them, you won't forget them anyway. It also comes with the Storm Leash, so that's for your emergency takeoff if you really have to do something quickly. You won't lose them in the snow, they won't get wet, and you quickly can access them again and get your hands back inside. On the back of the thumb, you have an emergency wipe, so if some cool snow were to spray to your lens by accident, you have that ability to quickly do an emergency wipe to be ready for your next shot. Skadi LRS utilizes Primaloft insulation with a double layer on the backhand for some extra warmth, and it has a 100% merino wool liner. If you don't know about merino, it's an amazing material. It's super comfy, it's super warm. The outer shell has a durable water repellent treatment as well as a laminated membrane, which creates amazing weatherproofing protection, and it is so nice for your hands against wind, snow or light rain. For the 2-in-1 versatility, the removable liner is made from Polartec Power Stretch Pro. We have developed a special liner for this glove. It has a wind protecting soft shell on the back of the hand. It has extra grip on the front of the fingers, so you have a good grip and a good feel to your camera. And obviously, it has touchscreen abilities on the thumb and your index finger to operate all your gear. Skadi LRS is my favorite, obviously, and our favorite at the Vallerret headquarters to shoot snowboarding, to shoot action out there, to go snowboarding as well. And it is my favorite choice to use with all kinds of video cameras out there. And I hope you do so too. Give it a try. They're so nice and warm. See you out there.